This is the stuff you have to be careful of. You see right here? This is what gets people chopped up. So look at these little candles poking their heads through V-WAP. See them right here?
Yes.
This is the stuff that freaks people out. And this is the stuff that does not freak me out, because when I'm in V-WAP, basically what I'm doing in my head is I'm giving this a range to trade on V-WAP. So if I'm trading V-WAP, this is what it looks like in my brain, right? So in my brain, I've already got, hey, if it comes a little over, if it comes a little under, I'm okay. And most people don't do that. Most people see this little candle right here. Look at this little candle that broke through. Perfect example right there. Hopefully you guys can see that little candle and you're like, I'm out. And then, oh, right?
Is there a percentage range on
Nope.
your?
Nope. Yeah. Unfortunately, you can't go by a percentage because you'll have no idea, because every stock is different on the percentage movement. So it's more about reading the chart and how much you can see these candles are moving and dancing around, right? And again, this comes back to what we've talked about before, is kind of knowing the stock and how much it moves, right? If you're used to seeing a stock with the kind of movement that it has, you already know if it's going to super pull or does it just dance on a line, right? Apple's a perfect example of a slower stock sitting inside of a range before it makes up its mind, right? Where SPY will just breaking through constantly, like, right? And you get chopped up. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it.